Hello, this is Stacy from trulymajestic.com, and today we're going to be making this rug. It's a scrap rug made out of two different pieces, and I'm going to show you how to join them together seamlessly. You can do this with lots of different scraps, as many as you want, and make the rug any shape you want. As you can see from one angle, the seam is invisible, but from the other angle, it is going to be layered on top. Right, let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a little torch, and this one will be in the link in the description. It is so handy, and you're going to be firing the sides of the carpet and scraping it with a knife or a stick or something sharp. You are melting the edges so it doesn't constantly give these little bits. Now I have already cut my carpets to the size that I want, so you can cut yours whatever size you like. Just make sure you burn all of the edges. After you have all of the edges burned and scraped, you need to now align the carpet to the way that you want it to be, and then we're going to stick it together with fire. Now we're going to burn the carpet and stick the top piece over the bottom piece, and this is stuck really good. Our carpet has a very high synthetic fiber ratio. It's part wool, part synthetic fibers. So the higher your synthetic fiber ratio is, the better this will stick together. It doesn't work at all with carpets that are 100% wool. This is what the carpet looks like front and back, and it's one piece now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and a comment. Let us know if you'd like any other tutorials on anything else. See you next time. I'm Stacy from Truly Majestic.